Hello, everyone. Today, let's explore the classification of public emergencies and the characteristics of modern disasters. 1. Classification of public emergencies. A human development history is a history to struggle against nature. Even the rapid progress of the modern civilization cannot free mankind from the shadow of disaster. In this lesson, we're going to discuss the classification of public emergencies and the characteristics of modern disasters to deepen your understanding of these emergencies, thus enabling you to take effective preventive measures and respond appropriately. Unexpected accidents refer to emergencies that occur suddenly, cause or potentially cause significant casualties, property loss, environmental destruction and severe social harm, and endanger public safety. According to their occurrence, nature and mechanism, public emergencies are mainly classified into four types: natural disasters, accident disasters, public health events and social security incidents. These four types of emergencies respectively cover different phenomena and problems, providing us with a comprehensive and detailed framework to learn about public emergencies. Now, let's delve into the characteristics of these four types of emergencies. 1. Natural disasters. These mainly include meteorological disasters like floods, droughts, typhoons, hail, snow, sandstorms, and haze, geological disasters like volcanoes, earthquakes, mountain collapses, landslides, and debris flows, marine disasters like storm tides and tsunamis, forest and grassland fires, major biological disasters and more. 2. Accident disasters. These primarily encompass a variety of incidents such as safety accidents, transportation accidents, public facility and equipment accidents, environmental pollution and ecological destruction events in industrial, mining, and commercial enterprises. 3. Public health events. These primarily include outbreaks of infectious diseases, mass unexplained diseases, issues related to food security and occupational hazards, animal epidemics and other incidents that seriously affect public health and safety. 4. Social security incidents. These mainly include terrorist attacks, economic security incidents and foreign-related emergencies. Based on their nature, severity, controllability, and scope of impact, emergencies are generally classified into four levels. Level 1, extremely serious; Level 2, serious; Level 3, relatively serious; and Level 4, general. In turn, they are indicated by red, orange, yellow and blue. The responsible organizations for each level of emergencies are as follows. The State Council is responsible for handling Level 1 emergencies. Provincial governments are responsible for dealing with Level 2 emergencies. Municipal governments are responsible for addressing Level 3 emergencies. County-level governments are responsible for managing Level 4 emergencies. 2. Characteristics of modern disasters. Natural and man-made disasters pose a constant threat to human survival and development, causing serious harm to our society. Firstly, modern disasters are frequent and destructive. Disasters like earthquakes, the greenhouse effect, and acid rain are occurring more frequently, with shorter intervals between each event. The frequency of man-made disasters is also gradually increasing. Currently, over 1.2 million people die in traffic accidents globally each year, with more than 30 million injured and about 5 million left disabled. Due to the acceleration of industrialization and urbanization, the number of casualties and the extent of losses caused by disasters are increasing. Secondly, modern disasters are multifaceted and complex. Human exploitation of natural resources has severely disrupted ecosystems and weakened their natural regulatory functions. Human factors play an increasingly significant role in the occurrence of natural disasters. Traffic accidents are influenced by various factors, including vehicle condition, road conditions, traffic volume, weather, and the driver's skills and physical condition. Mining disasters are related to various factors such as the nature of the mine, the duration of extraction, surrounding geological factors, personnel skills, and security measures. Therefore, disasters are characterized by multiple causes and complexities. Thirdly, modern disasters are chain reactive and compound. One disaster often triggers a series of other disasters, forming a disaster chain or compound disasters. After a natural disaster, the harmonious conditions for human survival are disrupted, leading to a series of secondary disasters, which are referred to as derivative disaster. The atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and lithosphere are intertwined as a whole. The occurrence of one disaster is caused by many factors and may impact other systems, accompanied by a series of secondary disasters. Fourthly, modern disasters exhibit randomness and cyclicality. Natural disasters occur under multiple conditions, influenced by both natural conditions and celestial activities, leading to great uncertainty in their timing, location, and severity. However, as a form of natural activity, natural disasters follow the cyclical laws of nature in their occurrence, development, and cessation. The crisis process of natural disasters is generally divided into 5 stages: latent or precursor period, occurrence or sudden onset period, rapid expansion or peak period, decline or continuation period, and termination or recovery period. Different natural disasters may exhibit different cyclical characteristics. Thus, the changing patterns of modern natural disasters should be seen as a continuation of the evolutionary patterns of natural variations in the geological time. Lastly, modern disasters are characterized by their suddenness and gradual changes. Geological disasters often occur when the energy in a regional layer accumulates to a certain extent and is abruptly released. These disasters are typically unexpected, intense, short in duration, and highly destructive. However, they often cause relatively small impacts. Examples include earthquakes, landslides, debris flows, etc. Slow-onset natural disasters, on the other hand, have their severity gradually revealed, such as droughts, insect pest infestations, and ground subsidence. However, slow-onset natural disasters can also trigger new sudden natural disasters when they develop to a certain extent. The characteristics of modern disasters include frequency and destructiveness, multifaceted causes and complexities, chain reactive and compound nature, randomness and cyclicality, as well as suddenness and gradual changes. Understanding these characteristics helps us to better recognize and respond to the challenges posed by modern disasters. Alright, that concludes the classification of public emergencies and the characteristics of modern disasters. See you next time.